Ka nong ilam jong kaseng National People's Party NPP ikong ampareen slongdo. Kabadai ka nong ilam barat ba jong ke NPP. Ka Maham tyngeh ya ki kular thok halor ka ILP. Pej hadu bokut usa DRL nong lait bat ke NPP ki kular thok yau paj ba kerikasi. Keren hi ki nong ilam ke NPP persya yau kandidat ke NPP. Kawai ka nong ilam NPP ka ba Maham waju kular klumar. Handrei kandidat MP DRL nong lait bat ulai kular klumar ya ka ILP. Ka kong ampareen slongdo kala Maham tyngeh ya kino ki seng perthai lane ya ki kandidat ki ba yele ya kini ka by elections MP sitang samai ba kimdei ban kular klumar halor ka ILP.
Haka ILP ngini ho ban tentrai kam no haka jala ga jami ni don kam kerki namar ki samla kinwa syubanap ha UMP badan kajian Thailand baru Chief Minister Kamjuru Oba Home Minister Uya Shong meeting Mangapur Batho Shithiro Mangapur.
Anyone who has been alert in the political scenario of the state of Meghalaya knows that the ILP is an issue which has become a non-starter for generations altogether. Since 1978 onwards, this ILP agenda continues to surface from time to time. But there are also political deterrents in this matter. There are constitutional clashes on this matter. And I think in this generation, by and large, citizens are far more equipped with information. That there is a constitutional clash on the matter of ILP is more or less understood